Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. Happy Sunday, budget friends. We're going to stuff our weekly expenses as well as some of our savings challenges. All right, so first up, okay, I do know for sure that I have a couple K-Bucks. So let me just set the cash. There's a K-Buck. And there's a K-Buck. Okay. I'm just going to set the cash off to the side, hopefully, and not too much out of view. All right, so we have 2 K-Bucks, which my K-Bucks go here. And we're just going to color off 2, where is my, all right, we're going to add 2 K-Bucks. And this savings challenge is actually for my kiddo's birthday, along with another savings challenge I'm working on. But let's put this away. And hopefully that's dry enough. And then we're gonna go ahead and stuff our weekly expenses. We said mommy's getting 10 bucks. And we may have to work on, what are we gonna do with these 20s? Gas, getting $10, 20. Gas is getting 20. Groceries getting 20. Why am I doing this? 20, 40. Groceries getting 40. Household, that one's getting $10. Let's see here. I wonder if we should just put, what do we have? Household. Oh, you know what we can do? We can put, we'll take the 10 from mommy. And that way we can put it with my kiddo's money. A 20. I hope that makes sense. $10 to household, and then we'll do mommy and kiddos together. But I'm just gonna fold it in half. That way I remember, like, this is not just for them, it's for all of us. And then laundry, we're not putting any money there. Now it's time to get down to the savings. Now this is my issue with my savings. I have some savings goals, and I think what we will work on is getting one of these completed. May, June, because I know August needed $2. How about we just put $1 because that's what we have here. Unless we can make change. Can we make change? Let's see. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, okay. That changes this a little bit. Let's go ahead and put that 5 back in there. All right, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Yes, so this one needs 2 more bucks. 1, 2, and then this one's completed. Okay. Man, I hope this works out because I am not so certain that I'm doing so well. And let's see, where is my, there it is, right there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and color in $2. So August is completed. And let's see here what we got. Because I need the money from my other savings, I think what we're gonna have to do is put some of this savings aside for later in the week. So when we come back, I'm doing Monday, which is my coin, so we won't worry about that. Wednesday, oh, I do need 20 bucks for Wednesday. And then Fridays, I'm doing freebie Fridays as well. So whatever I have left, I will work on putting to savings. If not this week, then next week, and we'll just figure it out. I can't really stress about it. But I think what we'll do is complete another month in this savings challenge. Let's see what we can get. All right, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, exactly $19. So this savings challenge is the Save 226 and 2026. All the months are $19 except for December, which is $17. You can find this savings challenge actually in I Am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs Ko-Fi shop. And so get your hands on it if you're interested in grabbing it. We are working on another one for 2027. So that completes the month of June. Crazy progress. But this savings challenge I do need for next month. My kiddo's birthday, I have a kiddo whose birthday is on June 12th, and then the other one is on the 27th. But I like to have a plan, idea, or have something together for them before the first one's birthday. They're still trying to figure out what they want to do. They don't know. And I told them I completely understand there's no rush, but I did want them to kind of just be thinking about it so we can figure out what our plan is. And let me grab, yeah, got it. I need my permanent marker for the tracker. We completed August and June. We literally have July left, which means I just need another $19. This savings challenge is completed. We will unstuff and make sure all of it's together. I do have 20 bucks there, but I'm not certain. I kind of want to make sure I want the change so I can make sure I have exactly what I need. And I still have my K-Bucks that I'm working on for my kiddo's birthday. Let's see what we can do here. All right, so I'm gonna pull out Big Mama. Big Mama is my 100 envelope savings challenge. And you guys, this one's been giving me a run for my money, but she has been just incredible with this whole savings process for me. Oh, I do have another idea as well. No. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take these 20s and I'm going to set them off to the side. I'm going to work on using these for savings later in this week and possibly next week. I think that's what we may end up doing. And we need to find one that is $5, or we'll have to maybe stuff one that says $4, and then we'll go from there. Let me just take a second. All right, let's see here. And this savings challenge is in our Etsy shop, SNC Budget Creations. And let's see. I don't see any $5. This one's $4, so we may have to do that one. Another $4. I see a couple $4 and a couple of $6. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't see any that are $5, which is fine. I think what we'll do is just throw it in one that is $4, and then we'll just be $1 over, which is, like I said, it's amazing. I do have these blank cards. Maybe I should do a blank card. Maybe I should do a blank card because this is my slot number 1, and I'm just gonna write 5 on here. Just because I'm going to go ahead and put $5, and you probably can't really see it on the screen, but I can see it here. So number 1, we're going to go ahead and put $5. Okay, I mean, that works out. And I am working on trying to figure out if I'm going to be able to do another cash stuffing for my 100 envelope savings challenge. I did mention that I want it to be completed by next month. My kiddo stopwatch is on my bed. So that's what you hear there. So we're just going to mark off number 1. Seems like it goes very long. Okay, it's done. So we went ahead and did number 1. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and just use that money for savings throughout this week, maybe next week, and see how things go. I really would like to get this one finished, but I think next week what we'll focus on is making sure that we finish our 226 in 2026, and then hopefully gather up some more K-Bucks and see what we can do with this one. I do have a YouTube paycheck coming, and I was thinking it might be a good idea to put my YouTube paycheck actually to this savings challenge, which I am saving this money for Christmas. That's why it's so much. It's over $600 that I'll be saving once it's completed. But for now, we're making great progress. I put this little hair tie on it because it's so thick. You can see it's just so thick. I can't even keep it closed, and when I put it in my safe, it kind of bulges up or whatever. Anyway, I'm very excited about the progress I'm making with my savings. I'm very excited to see how the end of this month goes. I am taking my kiddos somewhere special at the end of this month based on all of the saving that we're doing. So that I'm really excited about as well. There is a carnival right now. I'm not certain it'll be here through the rest of the month. I also asked one of my kiddos if he wanted to go to see Alanis Morissette at a concert. And he's like, I don't really like her music because I played a couple of songs. So, you know, I probably will try. I still have a little bit of time. She'll be here for another 2 weeks. And the way that this one's set up is there's still tickets every night. They, you know, just keep leaving them available as long until showtime's over. So maybe I'll go see her, I don't know. But clearly my kiddo, he doesn't want to go. Anyway, you guys, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. You guys have been so supportive. You've been amazing coming back every week and also cheering me on. I get so discouraged, especially when I look at how many envelopes I still have left. I have a lot. I have a lot of envelopes left on this savings challenge, and I get like, maybe I'm doing too much. But you guys keep saying, don't give up. You got this. Don't give up. And so I'm not going to give up. I'm going to just see. I mean, if I can't do it, I can't do it. But if I can, that would be incredible, right? So be on the lookout. Typically, I want to say YouTube is around the 21st, 22nd or something like that where they pay out. So then I will try to get some smaller denominations. I do want to go through my saving challenge and see how much I actually have left to stuff, and then like what kind of bills do I need? Do I need $2 bills? Oh, that was one of the things I really wanted to stuff was $2 bills, but do I need smaller bills or bigger bills, whatever, to see what I need. Anyway, I'm trying to think, was there anything else I needed to tell you? I don't think so. Hopefully I can edit this video properly, maybe? Properly, I don't know, because face to face and trying to sync them up, oh my goodness, you guys, that was not easy. But I'm truly grateful for each and every one of you. I think it's been awesome to have you guys along for this journey. And sometimes, even like tonight, it just doesn't all add up and make sense the way that I planned it or think it should. And you all are still rocking with me and still saying, hey, this is real life, and I really appreciate you. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.